Latvia. Latvia, being a part of the Soviet Union, was completely overrun by Hitler's forces just 3 weeks after the war began. On the 1st of July 1941, Riga surrendered, and on the 8th of July, the entire republic was occupied by the Wehrmacht. The Latvian SS Legion was formed in its territory, and a network of death factories was established. 48 prisons, 23 concentration camps, and 18 Jewish ghettos. All Latvian enterprises were declared the property of the German state. The liberation of Latvia from the Nazi invaders began in the summer of 1944. There was a strong German grouping with 5 tank divisions in the vicinity of Riga. On the 14th of September, Riga offensive operation began, which was part of the large-scale battles to liberate the territory of the Baltic states by the Soviet army. As a result, Soviet troops defeated Hitler's Army Group North and liberated Riga from German forces on the 15th of October. About 150,000 Soviet soldiers and officers were killed in the battle for Latvia. But even so, Latvia has declared war to the Russian world. Now they are closing Russian schools and banning the Russian language there. Not only are neo-Nazi actions openly held in the country, but books rehabilitating Nazism are also published. Monuments to Soviet warrior liberators are being demolished by the dozens. Latvia has forgotten that it owes its life, the lives of its citizens, to the Soviet soldier.